Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com. Today is Thursday, May the 27th, 2010. And if you called the bottom, awesome for you, but it was not based on the chart. It was based on news, and let's analyze that. Okay, from a purely technical perspective, looking at the NASDAQ, we're looking at this chart because it's clearest to find today the problems that are in this rally. The NASDAQ chart, 6 months, each one of these candlesticks is 1 day. You'll notice here, we've got the exact same condition that we had the last time we tried to rally here. So let's go analyze the previous and then extrapolate some information about the current situation. Okay. All right, you had a major sell-off. Okay, stocks don't fall straight down, plain and simple. And then you had a big old gap up bounce up here. Okay, the news came out, had to do with Europe, just like we do this time, and they said we're going to help bail out European Union, okay, or backstop them. So we had a close that was at this level and then gapped up to this level. Now, at that time, we told you gaps get filled, all right? At the same time, you have another bit of information you can learn from this sell-off right here. There's no hammer here. If there's no hammer, it's not the bottom, okay? That's just what the chart's telling you. You've got to trust the chart as a technical analyst. So sell-off happens, there's no signal of a bottom, you get a gap up here and you rally a little bit, and then you end up coming back down and filling it anyway. Now, a couple items here. First off, by knowing there's no hammer here, knowing this is not the bottom, you know this is not the buy point, okay? It has to fall lower. A, to fill the gap all the way down here, and B, there was no hammer here, so it's going to fall lower. So down she goes, exactly what happened. Now we did that call perfect, all right? At the same time, let me get that right tool. At the same time, you have to know no market falls, wrong tool, no market falls straight down, okay? So when you had this selling, you expect sooner or later you're going to get some bounce, and there you go. There's your bounce, all right? But it was messed up bounce, doesn't count. And sure enough, she's going to sell back off. You look for the same conditions. Do you have hammer formations here? Absolutely not. All right, so no hammer formations. And then the reversal. It's a huge gap up on news. It really has no fundamental effect on improving Europe whatsoever, and it's just a vote of confidence. Now, Japan did have a good GDP reading, but as our data came in today, that basically kills that because we learned that consumers are spending less than expected, businesses are spending less than expected, unemployment was higher, revised higher, and the data came in today was better than the previous week, but still bad and still below market expectations, so there's nothing good there. And to top it all off, we get to revise our GDP from 3.2 to 3%. That's 3% growth with government stimulus. Wow, that's awesome. Not. But in any event, we gap up really nice here because the market doesn't really care about fundamentals on the short term. And boom, she gaps up and she starts to rally. Okay, fine. Rally all day. Rally all day tomorrow. I don't mind. The end result will be what? The exact same thing we saw back here. You will peak, you will sell back down and fill the gap, and you will go lower because there's no hammer formation on the chart. A technical analysis is so simple, really. If I can do it, anybody can. It's that simple, okay? Now, can I back that up with something else? All right, sure. The MPT rating. The MPT rating is a proprietary indicator used at perfectstockalert.com to tell us what smart money's doing. We don't tell you what's in it, so don't ask, but we do tell you whenever it tells us something important. And right now it's telling us smart money is shorting today's activity, selling into this strong move higher. And yeah, I do this exact same thing. And I would short it as high as it wants to go. Plain and simple, okay? Awesome. If you haven't been to perfectstockalert.com, it's 100% free. You can visit that website. All we ask in return is you refer a friend. Tell somebody, anybody, go check out perfectstockalert.com. They're making tons of money over there. It's 100% free and none of that like internet free. It's actually free, okay? Awesome. Let's look at our disclaimer. The disclaimer. Dun dun dun. The information you can read. Okay, we're going to be bringing out some new features for you guys. I think this weekend, basically we're going to start a little change up of our portfolio. We've got the portfolio on our website. It's free. You can view that and all. But we're also going to do like an ETF one. Basically, we've posted a poll on our website, basically asking people, which did they prefer. And we got a lot of people saying they like ETFs. So we're going to try to incorporate more ETF work on our website. We already provide one free ETF alert every Wednesday. I believe that's the ETF day, and we do that every week. So now we're going to start bringing in a portfolio, or at least a list of our top picks and that kind of thing. It'll give us more opportunity to focus on ETFs a bit there. So be looking for that. Please continue to refer your friends, share our videos on the internet, Facebook, Twitter, MySpace, YouTube, etc. Thank you very much. If you're watching us on YouTube, feel free to subscribe there. We appreciate that. God bless. Enjoy the evening. Stay smart. And don't let this market fool you. The chart's telling you everything you need to know. The fundamentals back it up. And hey, if you're going to lose money, you might as well lose money being right rather than being wrong, right? Okay, awesome. Talk to you later. God bless.